Hey there! In this video, we're going to walk through the entire process of creating an EBS volume and attaching it to an EC2. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create an EBS volume, attach it to an EC2 instance, and even write some data to it. Let's get started. Step 1. Launching an EC2 instance. First things first, we need an EC2 instance to attach our EBS volume to. Here's how to do it. Navigate to the EC2 dashboard in your AWS console. Click on Launch Instance. Name your instance something simple, like my EBS instance. Choose your preferred configuration. It is important to note that your EBS volume and subnet have to be in the same region and availability zone as your EC2 instance. Go ahead and launch the instance. Once your instance is up and running, we're ready to create the EBS volume. Step 2. All right, let's create our EBS volume. In the AWS console, navigate to Volumes under the Elastic Block Store section. You'll see the volume that's automatically attached to your EC2 instance, but we're going to create a new one. Click on Create Volume. For this tutorial, we'll use the general purpose GP3 volume type. It's cost-effective and great for most workloads. Make sure to select the same availability zone as your EC2 instance. In this case, US East 2B. Finally, click Create Volume. Awesome! We've created the volume. Now let's attach it to our EC2 instance. Time to attach the volume. Step 3. In the Volume section, select your newly created volume. Click on Actions and then Attach Volume. From the list, select your EC2 instance. Click Attach to complete the process. The volume is now attached to your EC2 instance, but we're not done yet. We need to SSH into the instance and set up the volume so we can use it. Step 4. Connecting to the EC2 instance. Let's SSH into the EC2 instance. In the EC2 dashboard, select your instance and click on Connect. Once connected, let's verify that the volume has been attached by listing all the available storage devices. We will be using this command for that. Step 5. Setting up the EBS volume. Now let's format and mount the volume so we can store data on it. First, create a file system on the new volume using the following command. Next, we'll create a directory to mount the volume. Now we'll mount the volume to the directory. We'll verify that the volume is successfully mounted using Step 6. Writing data to the EBS volume. All right, let's put some data on the volume. We'll create a file called test file in the mounted directory. Now let's write some text into the file. Finally, check the file's contents. You should see the text, "Hello from EBS." And that's it. You've successfully launched an EC2 instance, created an EBS volume, attached the volume to your EC2 instance, formatted and mounted the volume, written data to the volume. In the next video, we'll dive into the multi-attach feature of EBS, where you can attach a single volume to multiple instances. It's super useful for high availability setups, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.